Hi, my name is Oreoluwa, and this is my video where I'm going to be demonstrating how to get into my VM, and I'm going to go through the four apps that were required to download in the VM. For mine, I've chosen VS Code, PyCharm for the IDE, Adobe for the PDF viewer, and Microsoft Word for editing documents. So yeah, I'm just going to go through the whole process. And yeah, so already have the VM saved here. I'll provide the password and the username to use to get in. But I'm using Microsoft Remote's desktop. That is what I'm using to access my VM. So yeah, I just click into it. No, we do not want to cancel. So I'll just go through the four apps just to show that the VM is still working. So start with my VS Code. I just perform a few functions in each app just to show that the VM works fine. That is what I'm planning on doing. So here we go. VS Code. I can just create a new file. So we already have this here. CSC 412 VM video demonstration. Close this out. I will go through all four apps. This is the first VS Code. So along the course, if I'm required to install more things and actually do some coding in VS Code, then I'll just be able to set it up how I already have it in my local desktop. But yeah, as you can see, VS Code works fine. So I'll move on to PyCharm. PyCharm is the IDE I've chosen to install. So yeah, PyCharm. Okay, can just new project. And yeah, I actually have to install Python. But yeah, as you can see, the PyCharm app opens. Like it creates a project. I'm sure pressing creates will cause it to install Python, but that's fine. If I end up having to do any coding, then you know this will prove useful anyway. But yeah, this is PyCharm, the IDE, and it's working fine. Uh, Let me actually close out of it. Thank you. Yes, please. Next, I have Adobe. So yeah, I'll open the welcome PDF just to show that we can, that the VM works fine. So yeah, this is Adobe, and yeah. Next, I'll open Microsoft Word. Actually, it's already open right here. Microsoft Word also works fine. I've signed in with my A&M email, And yeah, this is where I'll probably be creating my user guide. So yeah, all four apps that I'm required to install work fine, and I'll go more in depth in the documents, provide instructions on how to recreate my VM and how to access the VM too. So thank you.